Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. As of February 2025, Triumph has not released a model named the 2025 Triumph Spitfire. The original Triumph Spitfire was a British sports car produced between 1962 and 1980, renowned for its sleek design and spirited performance. While there have been rumors and speculations about a modern revival of the Spitfire, no official announcements or releases have been made by Triumph regarding such a model. For enthusiasts interested in the classic Triumph Spitfire, it's essential to understand its historical significance and the key components that made it a beloved sports car. Design and chassis. The Triumph Spitfire was designed by the acclaimed Italian designer Giovanni Michelotti. It featured a sleek, aerodynamic body with a long bonnet and a short rear deck, embodying the classic Roadster aesthetics of its era. Built on a shortened version of the Triumph Herald's chassis, the Spitfire utilized a backbone chassis design, which provided a sturdy foundation while keeping the vehicle lightweight. This design contributed to its agile handling and responsive driving experience. Suspension and handling. The Spitfire's suspension system was engineered to offer a balance between comfort and performance. The front suspension comprised independent coil springs with wishbones, while the rear featured a swing axle setup with a transverse leaf spring. This configuration provided nimble handling characteristics, making the Spitfire a joy to drive on winding roads. However, the early swing axle design was prone to oversteer under certain conditions, leading Triumph to introduce a revised rear suspension in later models to enhance stability. Braking system. Equipped with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the rear, the Spitfire's braking system was designed to deliver reliable stopping power. The combination of disc and drum brakes was standard for sports cars of that era, ensuring effective braking performance under various driving conditions. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Spitfire offered a driver-focused cockpit with minimalist yet functional instrumentation. Features included bucket seats, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and a straightforward dashboard layout with essential gauges such as speedometer, tachometer, fuel, and temperature indicators. While the interior was compact, it provided sufficient comfort for both driver and passenger, making it suitable for both short drives and longer journeys. Market availability and pricing. As the Triumph Spitfire ceased production in 1980, it is now considered a classic car. The availability and pricing of Spitfires vary based on factors such as model year, condition, originality, and historical significance. As of 2025, the average price for a Triumph Spitfire 1500 in good condition is approximately £6,270, with prices ranging from £750 for project cars to over £22,000 for pristine, fully restored examples. iCircumflex site iCircumflex Turn 0 Search 5 iCircumflex. For enthusiasts in Pakistan, acquiring a classic Triumph Spitfire would involve importing the vehicle, as it was not originally manufactured or widely sold in the region. Importing a classic car entails additional costs such as shipping, import duties, and taxes, which can significantly increase the overall expense. It's advisable to consult with local classic car clubs, import specialists, and the relevant authorities to understand the specific requirements and costs associated with importing a vintage vehicle into Pakistan. Conclusion. While the Triumph Spitfire remains an iconic symbol of British automotive history, there is no official 2025 model available. Collectors and enthusiasts interested in this classic sports car should conduct thorough research, assess the condition and authenticity of available vehicles, and consider the associated costs of ownership, especially when importing into regions like Pakistan. Engaging with classic car communities and experts can provide valuable insights and assistance in the acquisition and maintenance of a Triumph Spitfire.